So if your curls look like this, and you want your curls to look like this, come with me. Today we're getting right into it. The ultimate hydration journey for these beautiful, luscious curls, this is your ultimate hydration repair duo. This right here, curl's best friend, Coco-Motion. This delivers deep hydration while its microscopic oils penetrate deep into your hair shaft. Curl-Wash Naked technology will make your curls feel weightless, bouncy, and totally hydrated. Section by section, take it from roots to end, smoothing your cuticles. You guys remember the squeeze? It's time to rinse. Are you ready? Are you ready? So now let's talk style. Flo-etry. So this is your go-to for defining your curls and preventing breakage. This is going to mimic your natural scalp oils that has a hard time traveling down the hair shaft. Every inch of your hair will be hydrated. Take a small pump. This will be called finger styling. Your curls will have a beautiful finish. The ends will be hydrated. We'll repeat with the rest of our hair. You guys stay tuned for these results. Look at these bundles of curls. This is magnificent. So when you color treat your curls, it's typically going to be much drier, more fragile, and prone to more breakage. That's why hydration is super critical. So this duo, game changer. Stronger.